We look at Chilo's BMW key today. How to unlock it? So we all know that after the key is matched to the car, it's locked and we can't use it again. For some reason, after locking, then left in our hands, then cannot be used, then we need to unlock it. Let's take a look at how to unlock it manually. First, look at the small card. This is the unlock button. Lock key, trunk key. What do we do? Unlock button and trunk button at the same time, press and do not release. Release the trunk button after 5 seconds and press it 3 times. Release after pressing. Then the key will be unlocked manually. Now look at the big card. The same unlocking and locking the trunk. Then we press the unlock and trunk buttons at the same time for more than 5 seconds. Release the trunk button and press it 3 times. Then release. Then the key will be unlocked manually.